guys, now we go home. Very cold today. We wanted to finish the cabinet, but Alex was so tired, so we decided to stop the work and continue maybe tomorrow. But today is really very cold, though the sun appeared, but 1 hour ago it was even snowing. Can you imagine? Even snowing. That is the next day, guys. Yesterday Alex was very tired and we decided to stop the work.
Сейчас еще подложим чуть.
Show Alex the result. Oh, great job, Alex.
Ну вот одна только. Вот
Yeah.
это.
Alex
Не-
says
не очень.
the first one wasn't very good.
Ну тоже ничего.
This tape is used to make the nice edges of the hole. That is Alex's secret.
Да ну, брось.
Secret, yeah, Alex?
Секретный ингредиент.
Show the result.
А его все равно не будет видно, оно будет прижато здесь. Это я так уже как бы. Для того, чтобы помочь, баланс снимает.
Alex's friend gave us an old IKEA wardrobe and Alex decided to make a small cabinet out of the parts of that wardrobe, because we do not need the wardrobe, but the boards are rather good, so we decided to make a small cabinet. But Alex was greedy to use the good shelf from the wardrobe. That is why he decided to use this white board that was left from another project. Greedy Alex.
Держать будет возможности.
So guys, almost ready.
Пробуем. Все, готово.
Almost ready, guys. Now the door and
Задницу сейчас
the
сделаем.
back side over here. So guys, the final step, now we have to attach the door and to put the shelf over here. Will be the shelf. Я ж снимаю.
Фрэнки. Мы тут еще отрегулируем, скажи. Не закончено.
So guys, almost ready result. Alex will have to fix the door a little bit better, but in general In general, that's how it will be. I won't show you the whole study because at the moment here is a big mess. So when everything is ready, I will show you the final result.
Это я решил повесить.
Почему?
У него 3 фонаря, там светлее будет. А с этой мы на одну колонну повесим, там вообще ничего видно не будет.
So guys, the big changes in our electricity project. Alex could find the old lamp.
Сейчас сделаем, все будет светить.
Alex, can you give us the tour of the attic? Покажешь нам, что там на чердаке?
Ну, я сейчас лампочку повешу и
Yeah.
сходим, посмотрим.
Alex will bring electricity and we are going to have a small tour. About 2 hours have passed. Let's check what Alex is doing over there. Though we are not invited, but I hope Alex will show what he's doing. Alex! We are going to check your progress. Oh,
Привет, лунатиком.
hello. I think, guys, it is for several days. Some days of work ahead. So, guys, and one more challenge to get downstairs. Ой,
Завтра будет штатно включаться-выключаться. Вон тем, внизу.
ё-моё.
Сюда залезем?
Alex promises that tomorrow here will be the light. And we can turn it on from downstairs. Ой.
Да будет свет, сказал монтер и тут же вырубил стартер. Все. Целая веха. Сделали освещение на чердаке по постоянной схеме.
Alex is very proud of himself. The electricity appeared at the attic.
Все работает. Выключается выключателем.
Everything works and can be switched on and off from the ground floor.
Вот. Теперь будем заниматься строительством. Здесь построим стеллажи.
Now the plan, guys, to put shelves somewhere here. The work is going on, guys. Alex is building the shelves for the attic. Today the weather is much better. Not as cold as yesterday, and Alex decided to work outside.
Жалко выкидывать.
We are using the old boards that were left from our old blue dacha house that we demolished a few years ago. Over there is a big storage of such old boards. When the dacha construction is over, we will get rid of the old boards, but at the moment they help us very much. The shelves will be very simple, just to put the big boxes on them. Not very fancy shelves. Alex, how many shelves are you building? Сколько будет?
Ну, не знаю, 2 или 3.
About 2 or 3 shelves.
Не решили пока. Посмотрим, расставим.
Haven't
посмотрим.
decided yet how many shelves we need.